Hi there, I bought this great little accessory made by Ulanzi, which is very useful if you have Fuji cameras in particular that have the flip up screen but not the fully reticulating. In fact, if you had a fully reticulating screen you wouldn't need it anyway, but it's fantastic for vlogging. It's a really genius little device, so let's see how it works. This is it. Comes in a nice little pouch and it's called the UURig. Yep. So let's remove it. And there we have it. Very, very, very clever little device. As you can see, it's got a 45-degree mirror, and apart from the cold shoe which fits it to the hot shoe of your camera, it has 3 further cold shoes for accessories, for lights or mics, etc. So there you go, and you can see the mirror there. Clever, eh? Very simple. Costs £5 or £6 on eBay, but I'll put the description below. Okay, let's see how it works. Most of the time for vlogging, I use this setup. Okay, so this is the GoPro, and funny enough, they actually make one for the GoPro as well, if you haven't got the GoPro 8, for example. But you rarely, if ever, need anything like that, because if shooting as I do with this camera setup, in linear mode, it works an absolute treat. It's fine, it's no problem. And 99% of the time I use this, and I have no focusing issues to boot. Right. But this is what it's really designed for, mirrorless cameras, like the XT range. So I have the little XT20 here. The camera I'm shooting this with right now, this vlog, is a Panasonic G7, which has a fully reticulating monitor anyway, so not needed there. But the good thing about this, of course, is that when the device is fitted, clips on here, straight on. All you need to do then is just flick up your monitor so it's at 90 degrees, turn on the camera, and then when you turn it round, oh, genius, I've just put it on back to front. Idiot. Think that's a tad better? Yeah, that's better. That's how it should go. Okay, with it the right way around, there it is. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. What an idiot. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Whoops. Hopefully you can see me in the camera. Right, yeah, what? Okay, so that's it. It is so simple. I don't know why somebody didn't think about this before, but if you vlog with a camera like this, then perfect. Yeah, and you can mount the accessories on, of course, as I explained earlier. So we'll go outside and we'll give this a little whiz and to see how well it works. Okay. As I come out to shoot my piece to camera, annoyingly there's a plane constantly buzzing around. Curse it. Okay. Oh no, I don't believe it. Now a plane's going over. And here comes another plane. Right, let's get this on, give it a whiz. I think I know now why I use the GoPro mostly for vlogging. Over and out. Bloody aeroplane's coming round again. Bloody airplane. Airplane's gone now. Okay, so here's your roving reporter, Nigel Harper, and with this setup, the Ulanzi Selfie video vlogging 45-degree mirror device. Fantastic, and it's fully loaded here, as you can see. Fully loaded. Mic, well, not quite, because you've got a 3rd hot shoe you can use for any other device, whichever that may be. Maybe a gun to shoot those planes down. Anyway. Fantastic value for money, cost £6 or £7 on eBay, link below, fantastic. And before my arm drops off, over and out. Please subscribe, bang the bell, see you soon. Yep, another plane, yeah, no.